Hi and welcome everyone to this Excel video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the logical functions in Excel called the if function. And to demonstrate that, we are going to use this student list over here, which has marks gained by each individual student, as well as the total score in column J. We shall be using this grading structure over here against our average score in column K. So what we want to achieve is that when we run our if function in column L over here, Excel then returns a letter grade, for example A, if the average score meets this criteria, meaning that the marks should be in between 90 and 100. Because in our grading structure we have 4 tiers or 4 groups of grading, that simply means we shall need to write 4 if statements in our formula. And technically that is called nested if because of more than one condition stated in the formula. So let us start writing our formula over here. We say equals if open brackets, and as you can see on our screen tip over here, this function requires a logical test, and when the criteria is met in our second argument here, Excel returns a specified value, or even if it's not met, and in this case we want Excel to return either A, B, C, D, or F. So we shall go ahead and write our logical test. If this number over here is greater or equals to 90, comma, then Excel gives us an A. That's one of our arguments, comma. Then we are going to open another if. If, open brackets, if this number over here is greater or equals to 80, comma, then Excel gives us a B. You open quotes, specify the value, close quotes, and then put a comma. Then we shall open another if, open brackets, this value over here is greater or equals to 70, then Excel gives us a C, comma. Let us write our last if, open brackets, if this value over here is greater or equals to 60, comma, then Excel gives us a D, comma, or else give us an F if the value is below 60. And because we have opened 4 if statements, we need to also close 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then look at this. Because this data set is saved as an Excel table, when I hit enter key on my keyboard, all the other cells will populate automatically. So you hit enter key on your keyboard and there you go. Then you can go ahead and double check if your formula is working properly. This average score in our first column over here, it's 51, and therefore it's below 60. So according to our grading structure, it should give us an F. 62 is within 60 and 70, then it should give us a D. Then you can also double check all the rest. So that's how simple you can do grading in Excel using the if function in Excel.